Are you really gonna do this?
I'm gonna try. I've never done an oil change in my life. So, just jump in the deep end.
One hitch we ran into with our RV is it's almost impossible to find a place that will do an oil change. I've looked into so many places. I've looked into truck stops and places that do trucks because they're used to handling large rigs, but we have a gas engine and they usually only do diesel engines. I've looked into Walmarts because they tend to have big enough bays and they say that they don't do rigs that are older than 2005 and ours is a 2004, so sounds like an excuse to me. I don't know. Actually, there's a lot of excuses, like either it's too big for their bay, it's too heavy for the supports they have, they don't have the right kind of oil filter, they don't have this or that or the other thing. You know, there's just one excuse after another. I've looked at RV forums, and for the most part, people on the forums end up doing it themselves. So finally, after calling place after place after place at the many locations we've been to, we finally decided to bite the bullet and do it ourselves. I don't mind do-it-yourself kind of work. I do-it-yourself kind of work all the time. But I'm avoiding things with the engine because we don't know anything about engines. And oil changes specifically are very messy. And I don't like getting messy. So, in this case, Nat stepped up and he is going to do an oil change on our rig. And in the future, we'll have what we need on hand and we'll just become experts and we won't have to go through the pain of finding someone else to help us. So here we go. Okay. Looks like we've got some supplies here. Shop rags, oil pan, bucket, funnels of all sorts. Cardboard box to catch drips and lay on top of, I suppose. And here's the beast itself. Brave.
So the tricky thing is that the oil pan is right here and the drain plug is right over the axle. So if you just open it up, it just spills all over the axle. It goes everywhere. So I'm going to try to stick this underneath it here, and then I'm going to try to use one of these funnels and just hold it up over the thing while I am unscrewing it. So that's the plan. Here we go. Get this over here, like that. I'm going to have to hold it here. Why don't you come on the other side? It could just spill everywhere.
It's gonna come out of that hole?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. That sounds terrible.
Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I loosened it. Now I'm going to try to, just use my fingers. Supposedly, it's going to come shooting out. Oh, it's dripping. Here it comes. Oh, crap. Oh my god.
Oh, that smells like oil already. Oh, wow. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's leaking.
Oh, it's leaking.
We got most of it though.
Look at that black stuff.
Okay, also go grab that green thing. Go grab that green bucket.
Okay.
Grab that green bucket.
All right, here.
Oh, it's gonna overflow. Okay. Well, I think it's slowing down a little bit. Oh my gosh.
What is all that? That's oil.
We had a little bit of a spill, but for the most part, we got it all in the container.
Is that actually oil?
This is oil. This is what goes in the engine and keeps it lubricated so that all the gears and stuff move.
So is that hot?
No, it's not hot.
does it kill you?
It would, if you drank it, it would.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, not if you touch it. It's not acid.
Oh, that was insane. Okay, so did pretty good. Got a little bit of a mess. I mean, what happened is I was doing the plug, and the plug fell into the funnel and plugged it up,
Oh.
and then it started squirting everywhere and filling up the funnel. So I had to like dump out the funnel to grab the plug. Actually, I don't even know where the plug is anymore. I think I lost it. And I'll dump that pan into this green bucket. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay.
That's not oil.
So these things here will need to be cleaned off.
That's a lot of oil.
A lot of oil, Abraham.
You wouldn't want to take a bath in it, no. Huh?
Oh, did you hear that?
Oh, there was a plum.
That was the plug. Oh no.
Oh gosh.
Okay, give me a whole bunch of towels, please. Unwrap the towels.
All right, so right now we're cleaning up the huge mess. And it's really big.
Could have been bigger.
And we have this big jug of oil, which the plug is in. The plug's in the oil.
No, I got it out.
Oh, good.
I got it out. It's right. Here's the plug.
Oh, good. Oh gosh.
Now I need to take off the
Just like that. Ow.
oil filter. But let me go down. Let me go in there and see how messy things are.
Was there any mess down there?
Not very much. A few little drops. Now I'm going to try to get the filter here.
All right, filter time.
Alright,
Okay, so
here we go.
we had a slight delay. We drained out all the oil, and then we found out the oil filter was the wrong size. So we had to wait a couple days, got the new oil filter. Now we're putting the oil in.
Let's see how it
See
goes.
if this works. Oh gosh. You ready?
Yep.
Oh crap. Oh,
Don't pour too fast. Oh, don't pour too fast.
oh,
my
it's on
Yummy, yummy. It's going in, it's going in.
Yeah, hold it as hot as hot. Yeah, there you go.
Alright, 5 quarts. It should take like
Alright.
6 point something. It'd be.
That's 6 quarts.
Oh, 6 quarts, okay.
Alright, let me check to see if there's
Check to
leaks.
see if there's leaks, yeah.
So far, so good.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, thank goodness. Alright, 1 more quart.
So just going down to 4. Actually, it's just a tiny little bit more.
What's the verdict?
Well, it looks like
I just sat and then
so the exact right level. So
Oh, the exact right level?
yeah, right between min and max. So
Excellent.
this is I'm just checking the transmission fluid now.
We gotta learn how to take care of this beast. It's taking good care of us after all.
That's right.
And the thing is, it's a 2004, but it only has like 37,000 miles on it.
That's right.
So the engine's really young.
So hopefully it'll last as long as we need it to.
no, we have to